Hello, everyone. Don Carpenetti, your Chemo 90 instructor here again. I've had some students reach out recently with some concerns about maybe worry that they are not doing all the assignments that they have to do in the class. So I just wanted to give a quick tour of where you can find information about assignments, if that is a concern of yours, right, what you can do to make sure you're seeing everything. I'm in the course Moodle page here. If you're in the other section of the course, or if this is a video that I use in the future, the design of the Moodle site is going to stay the same. And so if it's 2026 and you're seeing 2025 up here, I wouldn't keep using this video unless I hadn't changed the design of the course. Now, one thing that may be relevant is the screen that you're viewing the course on may limit what you can see on the screen. So I have the window open full size on my laptop, but it's really important if you can see this right side of the screen where the little seal is here. That's where a lot of the information about due dates is going to show up. So if you're not using a fully expanded window, you may be missing this part of the screen. Maybe that's why people are starting to ask about due dates. But I'm just scrolling down the Moodle page here, and you'll see eventually down here, there is an assignment due dates block. And in this section, every assignment that you have to turn in over the course of this class is listed. And also the date that it will be due is listed. And I've further highlighted the information by anything that's in Moodle is in regular type. Anything that's in Mastering Chemistry is in bold type. So you can see some of the assignments we've already had there, the syllabus quiz, the first couple chapters on Mastering Chemistry. And we get up here to this coming week when I'm making the video right now, chapter 3 on Mastering Chemistry, and then the first Chemistry and Me forum will be due by March 4th for this particular semester. And everything else for the whole semester is here. So you can always find your due dates here. If you keep going down, though, there's also a upcoming events section here on the side of Moodle. And at the bottom of the upcoming events, there's a calendar. And that might be the easiest way to see all of your assignments, because if I open up the calendar, it's going to list out exactly which assignments, what day they're due, right? And it's going to have all of March in here, right? And in fact, you can see month by month over here, each day has a list of the assignments that are due. And again, the some are in Mastering Chemistry, some are in Moodle. The ones that are in Moodle are the forums, and they're just a little further down the screen. So right there's where you get to your Mastering Chemistry. But if you go down a little further, here's the rules for the forums. Here's how I'll grade the forums. And then here are the forums. So the first one here, Chemistry and Me, click on that. It'll open up. You can put your entry in. And there are instructions for each forum here. It is, I'd say, particularly important that you don't forget about the forums. They are all worth 100 points. They're worth the same amount as your chapters in Mastering Chemistry, but they should really be something that brings your grade up, because as long as you do the assignment, you should get 100%. So that should be a way to kind of bring up your scores relative to the Mastering Chemistry assignments, where it is a little more likely that you'll lose some points. But the kind of opposite problem occurs there. If you don't do the forum, then you get a 0, and that can really hurt your average. So make sure you keep up with the due dates, whether it's from the upcoming events or the calendar, or from the assignment due dates block here. Often I get questions about grades too. If you want to check your grades, let me show you that real quick. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to change the way I can see the course to student, so it looks more like what you would see. And if you go to the little menu over here where there's 3 bars where the little hand is pointing, and you click on that, there is a grades tab right there. So that grades tab will take you in, and you'll be able to see the grades you got on all of the assignments, at least once they're entered into the gradebook. So you can always check your grades for the Moodle-based assignments there as well. Okay, hope everybody is working on their assignments due this week, and I'll be back if there is more information that I need to share.